Having courses on your Mighty Network is similar to having activities for people to do at your party.
Hit me.
Go fish. While your main Mighty Network is the place to hold broader conversations, your courses are focused spaces where people can enjoy specific activities and learn specific skills. Like this room is for mini putt. And this one's for dancing! But before you go set up your first course, you must first identify what your course is, why it exists, who it's for, why they will care, and what makes your course unique and exciting. Similar to what you had to do in your main Mighty Network in Lesson 1. In your party planner are some helpful journaling questions to help pull out this clarity. So head over, fill in your questions, and then we'll get you organized for some much needed party activities, aka we'll set up your first course. Hey, what's this room for?
Meditating.
Sorry. Namaste.